What if you had the opportunity to learn something that could change how you think, create, and grow? Would you take it, or would you wait for another opportunity? At CICF Foundation, we believe empowerment starts with giving people the chance to learn, to be guided, and to discover what they are truly capable of in real and practical ways. Because many people are not short of dreams or ambitions, but what they lack is the right place to begin. From the 14th to the 29th of May 2026, CICF Foundation is hosting a free skill acquisition training designed to equip you with practical, relevant skills, not just to learn something new, but to begin your journey of growth. During this training, you will choose a focus area that resonates with you and receive hands-on training in one of the following skills. Web development, a skill that builds websites and digital solutions that businesses are actively paying for. Mobile app development, learn how to create the kind of apps that people use every single day. Fashion designing, turn your eye for style into a craft you can build a livelihood from. Videography, master one of the most in-demand creative skills in capturing moments that would last forever. Social media management. You can use this for your brand or get paid to do strategically what people are doing casually. The training will hold across 2 centers in Abuja at Gwarinpa Estate and Kubwa. So, if you have been looking for a sign to start something new, this is it. Not next month, not when things settle, but now. Registration is open, but spaces are limited. Follow the link on your screen to register and secure your spots.